Welcome back to our channel. Today I will uncover budget-friendly AI tools that skyrocket video engagement. I'd venture to guess I've got some insights into your world. Let me know in the comments if this resonates with you. You're an aspiring YouTuber aiming to craft captivating videos that both entertain and educate, all while raking in a few $1,000s monthly. However, creating videos from scratch is time-consuming, and the quest for the right AI tools and platforms is nothing short of exasperating. Sound familiar? Allow me to lend a hand. I've handpicked text-to-video AI tools, ranging from lesser-known to widely popular, that will absolutely blow your mind. First up, we have Pika Lab. Let me introduce you to Pika Labs, currently in beta. Picture Pika Labs as the evolution of Midjourney. While Midjourney uses prompts to transform text into images, Pika Labs uses prompts to create video content. Head over to pika.art to join the beta. Become part of their community by subscribing to their Discord and exploring the Getting Started channel if you're new to using AI prompts. Next, flex your newly polished AI prompt writing skills on any of the Generate pages under the Generations tab. You'll also get to view videos created using Pika Labs, offering a glimpse of what's possible. Let's peruse a few examples. Trust me, they're spectacular and entirely unique. Your text-to-video creations will stand out like no other. Curious to learn how to input a prompt? Simply scroll down to the message text box and type a /. Click the Create option when it pops up. Input your desired prompt, and voila, your prompt will be queued. And a brief wait is all that stands between you and your video. Let's see how it turned out. Not bad at all. Notice that the clips are around 3 seconds each. If your video falls short of expectations, hit the recycle icon to regenerate it. Here's a nugget of wisdom. The type of animation you receive hinges on the prompt you enter. For instance, if you envision scenes with characters in motion, like walking or running, brace yourself for fluid, captivating graphics. Don't hesitate to experiment with various prompts. Pika Labs is your trusty ally, transforming your ideas into reality. Now, I can sense some skepticism. Sure, it's free, but how free is it really? Let me clarify, Tom. Pika Labs won't cost you a penny. The videos you create boast seamless, top-notch quality. It's undeniably shaking up the industry. But keep this in mind. Although Pika Labs is currently free, this could change in the future. It might transition to a paid model down the line. So, seize the opportunity to unleash your creativity and craft outstanding videos while it's still complimentary. Who knows what the future holds? Make the most of this invaluable resource while you can. Now let's dive into another cutting-edge AI tool that is set to redefine content creation. As we know, it is Woxo VidGPT. Here's the lowdown on how VidGPT operates. In a nutshell, you provide key information to the software, and it swiftly whips together a compelling video using pre-existing images. It then elevates the experience with seamless transitions, overlays a transcript on the images, and employs an AI voice for narration. This bears a striking resemblance to the recent offerings from InVideo AI, encompassing engaging slideshows complete with stock images, video clips, text overlays, AI voiceovers, and captivating background music. The best part? It's lightning fast and incredibly user-friendly, enabling you to churn out a plethora of content in no time. Currently, the focus is on short-form content, perfect for distribution across platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even YouTube Shorts. The potential with VidGPT is truly remarkable. If you're intrigued, you can either access it through the link in the description or head over to woxo.tech, log in, and select your preferred content creation platform. Let's say we opt for YouTube. VidGPT promptly presents 3 sample prompts, allowing you to either use one of these or input your custom prompt. A single click on the Generate button yields a compelling result in just a matter of seconds. And now, let's shift our attention to the third powerhouse in our lineup, Runway Mel. Renowned for its exceptional text-to-video AI capabilities, Runway Mel boasts a nifty text-to-video tool. Upon signing up, you can easily locate it within the section labeled Popular AI Magic Tools, under the name Text Image to Video, or Gen 2. Upon entering your text prompt, akin to other AI tools, you're presented with a myriad of options to play around with. You even have the flexibility to upload your own image, which the software will seamlessly transform into a captivating video. Upon hitting that Generate button, you'll be treated to a breathtaking result, typically capped at 4 seconds for Runway's Gen 2. Now, Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that's set to revolutionize your content creation endeavors. Pictory stands as the catalyst that propelled my channel towards monetization. And before you even think of asking, yes, it's entirely plausible to craft captivating YouTube videos using nothing but AI and rake in profits from Google AdSense. Harnessing the prowess of AI voices, GPT-generated scripts, and AI videos. Pictory shatters the myth perpetuated by certain influential YouTubers who erroneously claim this feat to be unattainable. The truth is, the potential for monetizing AI-powered YouTube content knows no bounds. Enter Pictory's script-to-video feature, a game-changer that seamlessly streamlines the entire video production process, elevating it from a daunting endeavor to an enjoyable, straightforward pursuit that can significantly enhance the quality of your content. Envision this. Armed with a compelling script, you harbor the ambition to transform it into a captivating YouTube video. Fear not, for Pictory has your back. You can test the waters with a free trial, sans credit card requirement, using the exclusive link provided in the description. However, if you're genuinely committed to producing top-tier text-to-video AI content, a subscription to Pictory is an investment worth pondering. If you found this video enlightening, ensure to hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell. Drop a comment saying, "I subscribed," and rest assured, a prompt response from me awaits you.